Yes, I quit affiliate marketing, and I think you should too. If you've been following me here on this channel for a while, then you know I started as an affiliate marketer back in 2006. So over 14 years ago, I started doing affiliate marketing here online, and I absolutely loved it. And I still love it. It's still a great business. You can make some great money doing affiliate marketing. However, the internet's changing, e-commerce is changing, humanity's changing. People and their buying tendencies, their normal habits are changing. And so because of that, I decided I need to make a change, and so I'm quitting affiliate marketing. Let me explain how and why I came to that decision. So how did I come to this decision? Because I didn't come to this decision lightly. I have hundreds and hundreds of websites out there that are promoting different products and services and courses and whatever, and they're all affiliate links. And I'm not going away from that. I'm not selling all my different websites. What I'm doing is I am quitting affiliate marketing. However, I'm turning my affiliate business into a value-based business. So let me explain this a little bit further so you guys can really understand. Am I going to stop and get rid of all the affiliate links I have on my websites? No, I'm not. But what I am going to do is I'm going to add more value. I have a bunch of different sites, okay? I don't even know how many websites I have where all they are pretty much are just product, price, description, link, and that's it. And I talk about the best mountain bike seats, the best mountain bike grips, talk about the best backpacking backpacks, the best hiking poles, all these different things, hundreds of different websites. You may have seen some of them before. And these websites, they offer no true value. I have ranked these websites on Google and Bing and Yahoo, and I get consistent traffic. However, they're providing no value. And so for me personally, I don't really want to be a part of that anymore. It worked back in 2006, even back in 2010, even in 2015, this strategy worked. But I want to quit doing the old method, and I want to move into the new methods, which are teaching, educating, providing value. And so that's essentially what I'm doing. I'm quitting the old affiliate marketing business, the old techniques that worked back in 2006. I'm quitting that, but I'm moving on to the new method, which is adding more value to somebody's life. Let me give you an example and tell you why I came to this conclusion and this decision. And the example I want to give you, somebody asked me, I got a email from somebody saying, hey, is this one of my websites? And it was one of my websites. And they were just curious because it looked very familiar. And it was one of my websites, and they're like, why is it like set up like this, even though this is, you teach how to do it this way? And I decided, what, that's true. I have hundreds of websites that are set up the exact same way. But every single website was making some money, so I just left it. But now I decided I don't want to be a part of that business anymore. Okay, I don't just want to throw up random links here and there and provide no value. Here inside the Homemade Entrepreneur channel, what you see quite a bit is I do provide links to different courses that I've created or that I recommend somebody else has created, or services or products that I think would be beneficial for you and your business and your life. So I'm adding value in that sense. But on a lot of these websites that I've had for years, there's really no value, okay? So that's essentially the reason why I'm quitting affiliate marketing in the old way, and I'm kind of ushering in the new affiliate marketing business, which is just value marketing, okay? I'm adding value to somebody's life. I'm doing the marketing side of it. Yes, I'm getting in front of you and I'm pushing different products and services and courses. However, I'm pushing it in front of you, but by providing value and true value, which is one of the reasons why I like to create YouTube videos here on this channel, is because I feel that by not just providing a link, but providing some context behind that link, why I'm recommending it, why I believe it's the best thing for you. And again, I don't know you personally, but I do know what works inside this business and this industry. So because of that, I'm just offering you my 2 cents. To be 100% honest, there is still money to be made in the old affiliate marketing business, the old techniques, the old strategies. However, for me, it's not enough money. So that's why I say there's just no money in it. Because if you're running ads, if you're paying for employees or virtual assistants to create different landing pages for you, create different email campaigns and do all this stuff, there's just no money in it anymore. Okay, so is affiliate marketing still a legitimate business? It is. And you'll probably, after I publish this video, probably in the next couple weeks, I'm coming out with a new course. It's called The Passive YouTuber. And inside this course, I talk about how it's not, and this course used to be the passive affiliate. And I created this course, and I think I've probably had like 25, 30 people go through it. It's a very good course. However, everybody was always wondering, what else could you do? If you're not making money through affiliate marketing, what else is there? And so that's why I created and kind of moved away from the passive affiliate, and I turned this course into the passive YouTuber, which essentially is the same thing. However, I added, and I'm going to add more modules and more information and videos as to how to really scale and make money as a whole, as a complete YouTuber. And that's through affiliate marketing, but by providing value through coaching, which again, if you sell somebody an affiliate product and they use it and they really love it, however, it's missing a certain aspect, that's where a coach, an online coach, comes into play. So as they're inside the passive YouTuber, I show people how to not only make money as an affiliate marketer, but make money selling courses that will actually help somebody and provide value to their business and their life. Also show you how to sell a coaching service or do hourly coaching calls, which is something I currently do. I don't really promote it that much or market it to many people. However, it's something that I do. I put out there every once in a while, and a lot of people take me up on my offers and do coaching calls, which is great for me because I get to interact with you guys, but it's also great for those people as well, because now instead of sending an email and hoping within the next day or week they get a response, they can ask every single one of their questions in an hour-long coaching call, get everything answered right then, right up front, and so they can move on with their business, right? And so that's why I'm starting to create and really put together more of a complete course, which is going to be the passive YouTuber. That way you can, if that's something that you're interested in, and creating YouTube videos and not only becoming an affiliate, but creating a complete business, selling merchandise and doing sponsorships and making money through YouTube ad revenue and affiliate marketing, obviously, course creation, sales, which is it's big for my business, but there's a lot of things into it. So again, that's the reason why I'm quitting affiliate marketing, is because I'm not going to get rid of all my affiliate links. I'm just moving into more value marketing. So I'm kind of changing the way I look at this income stream. And again, affiliate marketing alone is a good business, is a legitimate business, but I just feel people are getting too smart. They're very savvy. So by being just an affiliate and just putting link after link after link on landing pages and websites and YouTube videos, you're not going to make a lot of money. You have to provide that context before it. You have to provide some value up front, or nobody's ever going to click on the link and buy the products that you recommend. So I just wanted to put that out there because I know a lot of people have been asking. I haven't really published a lot of videos lately on just complete affiliate marketing, and it's because I still do affiliate marketing, but lately I've been considering moving away from it. Okay, and like this video says, like the title says, obviously I'm quitting affiliate marketing because I'm going more into value marketing, and essentially I think that's what everybody should do. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you out any way that I can, but I just want to be honest with you guys where I feel my business is going to be best suited to go next, and it's just going to be providing value. Yes, I'm still going to be putting affiliate links inside my descriptions, inside videos, inside emails, but I only do this because I feel the products, the services, the courses that I'm recommending are actually going to benefit you in your life. So like I said, I'm here to help any way that I can. If you need or want a coaching call, an hour-long coaching call, all you got to do is send me an email at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com, and I'll just answer you there. We can talk about setting up a coaching call or multiple hours, and obviously if you do multiple hours, I'll give you a little bit of a discount as well. So if that's something you're interested in or you absolutely need, just send me an email, like I said, at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you there. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.